today we're gonna be opening this Disney Lego playset, and it's called Elsa's Wagon Adventure. Right there are a few things. There's like a sled.
There's Elsa.
There's something there. Oh, and also there's Elsa. I'm gonna build.
And Stan.
Yes, you're also gonna build.
And that little reindeer.
So, if we want to do it now,
And a marshmallow.
let's open it. And today is my 8th birthday.
Oh my gosh. Is the cookie in this one?
Oh, here's the
I found Elsa's head.
in her body, in her hair. And here comes Ben. All right. First, let's open this one.
I'm gonna
This
open
is
this
one.
too.
Don't open 2 yet. You have to open 1 first.
These ones don't have sables, so can I open these ones now? Since you don't have sables, I guess I do.
Yeah, you could if you want. Let's just put that in there. There's her feet.
Yay!
Here's her cape.
Stand out now.
Let's open this box. Inside the box is her cape. Yay! So I'll put her head on. Hair on. The bottom. And there she is. Here's Elsa. Here's Elsa right now. Here's the back. She's looking pretty.
Okay. Since it's your birthday, I'll have you very
Pretty cute
Just
marshmallow.
kidding. Oh my gosh, this cookie!
I know the cookie's cute.
Oh my gosh, the marshmallow looks so cute too. Look at these cookies! Look at these cookies!
Then
Yummy cookies. And here are
this piece.
here are the yummy cookies.
Oh, look at that. Look how neat this is.
Wow! Now can I put Elsa inside?
Here. Oh, we get to make a little campsite. See?
As you can see, we can make that now.
Okay. No, not now. Give it a spin.
Want to carrot spin?
Oh, this giant piece. Goes right. Oh, I'll fix that. Oh, look, it's like there's like a little hideout there. That's cute. Oh. Kid. Hello, Papa. And then he could be delivering a gem to Princess Elsa. Princess Elsa! Princess Elsa! We found something in the woods for you! What could it be? Alright then. Come on, let's tuck you into bed. And get you a little bed. Okay, here's Fun holding his carrot. And here's the campsite. Let me get some wine.
Wait, we have to name this little guy. We should name this little guy Cheerleader.
No, let's name him. We can name him Steve. Sven and Steve.
Stevie.
No. There we go. Now let's get some marshmallow. Yum 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 yum. This is how Elsa would look like with no hair. This is how Elsa would look like with still no hair. But so this is how Elsa would look like with hair. She looks beautiful. And this is also with the cape. That means I can fly. Wait. Okay, ready? Wait. Okay, let's try this again. Wait. Okay. Alright, this is my last and final try. Okay, hope you had fun with us building the Lego Disney Frozen 2 set, Elsa's Wagon.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Poof. Have a magical day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.